Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about something simple but powerful, daily small habits that can help you improve your English naturally.
That's right. You don't need to study for hours every day. Just a few small actions, done consistently, can make a big difference in how confidently you speak English.
Let's start with the first small habit, talking to yourself in English.
Yes, this one is easy and very effective. When you wake up, describe what you're doing. For example, say, I'm brushing my teeth, or I'm making breakfast.
By talking to yourself in English, you start to think in English. It helps your mind get used to forming sentences naturally.
The second small habit is learning one new English word every day.
Just one. It doesn't sound like much, but in 1 year, you'll learn 365 new words.
Try to use the new word in a sentence. For example, if you learn the word wonderful, you can say, today is a wonderful day, or that movie was wonderful.
Using new words helps you remember them better and makes your vocabulary stronger.
The third habit is listening to English every day.
You can listen to songs, podcasts, short videos, or even English news. The goal is to make English a part of your daily life.
Even 10 minutes a day is enough. The more you listen, the more familiar you become with natural expressions, pronunciation, and rhythm.
Over time, your ears will understand English automatically, and your speaking will also improve.
The fourth habit is reading something small in English every day.
It could be a short story, an article, or even social media posts. Reading helps you see how sentences are structured.
When you read regularly, you naturally learn new grammar patterns and expressions.
And if you read out loud, you'll also improve your pronunciation and speaking fluency.
Next, we have writing a few lines in English every day.
This could be a short journal about your day or a message to yourself like, today I learned 3 new words.
Writing daily helps you think in English and remember what you've learned.
It also helps you notice which words or grammar you need to practice more.
Another simple but important habit is reviewing what you've learned.
At the end of the day, take 5 minutes to go over new words or phrases. Repeat them aloud or write them again.
Review makes sure the knowledge stays in your memory. It's a small step that leads to big progress.
The next habit is using English in real life.
Try to use English whenever possible. Send a short message to a friend, comment on a video, or order food in English.
Don't worry about mistakes. Every time you use English, you're improving your communication skills.
The more you use it, the more confident you will become.
And finally, the last habit, stay positive and consistent.
Language learning takes time, but small daily steps make a big difference over months and years.
Don't get discouraged if progress feels slow. Every new word or sentence you use is a sign that you're improving.
Be proud of small achievements. A positive mindset keeps you motivated to continue learning every day.
So let's quickly review today's small habits. Talk to yourself in English. Learn one new word daily. Listen to English. Read something small. Write every day. Review what you've learned. Use English in real life. Stay positive and consistent.
If you start practicing these small habits today, your English will grow naturally, step by step, day by day.
Thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more English learning lessons and daily practice ideas.
Keep practicing, stay consistent, and remember, small habits lead to big results. See you in the next video.